Hey, what's going on guys? This is Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add gradient effect into your text using Elementor Pro. No matter if it's a heading text or paragraph text, you can apply it to all. And to do this, we need to add a little bit custom CSS inside our Elementor, but nothing to worry about because I will provide this CSS, so you can just copy this CSS snippet and paste inside your website. It's super easy. So let's get started. Let's open Elementor first. So this is our initial text, and on the right side, this is the gradient effect we're gonna achieve. Now let's start from scratch. So first I want to remove the gradient effect from the right side texts. To do that, just select, right click here, copy it, and right click here and paste style. It's going back to initial white color. Let's do the same with this. Copy, right click, paste style, and also for this one, right click, copy, right click, paste style. So right now we are at our initial stage. Now we want to apply gradient effects into our headings and paragraph. So here these two text block are heading text and the bottom text is a paragraph. So I will show you both how you can add gradient effect into heading text and paragraph text. Let's now select our first heading here. Click on this icon. Let's go to settings, and from here scroll down. As I said, we need to write some custom CSS code here, so click here on custom CSS. Don't worry, you don't have to write anything manually. I already have written that inside my website. So here, this is the custom CSS code for heading text. I will put that page URL in the description. So from there, you can just copy this like this, select, right click, copy, go back to Elementor dashboard and paste it inside here. This is a super easy CSS line. I'm explaining what is happening here. So this is a basic selector here, and you can see here Elementor heading title, as it's a heading text, and inside that you can see a background image property. Here is our gradient colors, and then you can see background clip text, and underneath that I have used a prefix so it will support on all the browsers. So just copy it from my site and paste it inside your Elementor custom CSS panel. Maybe you're wondering why you can't see the gradient effect yet. Because we need to do just one more thing. Let's go to top and go to style. From text color, click here on color palette, and here's the opacity option. So let's drag the opacity at the very left. Let's make it full transparent and click outside. Now you can see the gradient effect. Let's do the same with the next heading text. So click on this edit icon, go to advanced. From custom CSS, let's go to my website, right click here, copy it and paste it inside here. Now you know what to do. Go to style, then click on text color and makes the transparent 0. That means drag it to the left, at the very left. Now I want to do the same with this paragraph text. So let's now click on this icon here, go to my website. From here, right click, copy it and paste it inside here. Now let's go to styles and click on text color. Make the transparency 0 by dragging it at the left. But maybe you're wondering why you can't see anything here. I'm explaining. Let's go to advanced here. Here on the custom CSS, you see here selector is Elementor heading title. The upper two text were heading, but the underneath one is not a Elementor heading title. So let's go to my website here. So you can see here this code snippet is for heading text and this code snippet is for paragraph text. These two are almost similar. The difference is just only here in this class. You see the heading text, it says Elementor heading title. That's the class for Elementor heading text, and here you can see Elementor text editor. So this is the selector for paragraph text. So I'm copying this snippet, right click, copy. Let's go back to our Elementor dashboard. Now remove this and paste the snippet here. Now you can see the gradient effect on our paragraph text. Cool? Now have a look. Basically, gradient means the combination of two colors. So here you can see from left bottom it's a whitish color and on the right top it's a green color. So what if you want to change the gradient colors the way you want? To do that, let's go back to my website and scroll a little bit up. You can see here generate a CSS color gradient. Click here. So this is a gradient color generator. So you can select two colors from here. So let's click on this one. Let's take a bluish color at the left like this, and now let's click on right one. Let's select a yellowish color, something like this maybe. When you are happy with your color selection, click on generate, and here is your CSS code auto generated. Just simply copy this CSS snippet, right click, copy it. So let's now go back to our Elementor page builder, go to advanced, and from here custom CSS. So from here you can see background image. So just simply grab this CSS property here, remove this and paste the color we have just generated from the gradient creating site. Awesome. If you don't like it, then go back to gradient generator color again. Let's click on right one. Let's select a reddish color here. If you are now happy, click on generate, copy the CSS snippet, go back to Elementor, and here remove this piece of snippet and paste the snippet we have just copied from gradient generator. Isn't it cool? You can play with it more from here. Like you see right now, the direction of the gradient effect is from right to top. So instead of writing top right, you can write it instead of right, you can type left. So it's reversed, and instead of top, you can write bottom, like that. Also, if you want to specify it into degree, you can do that. Simply remove this two left bottom, remove this, and you can write it in degree, something like 30 degree. So it's 30 DEG. You can just play with it. You can make it -30 or 180, 190, 300, the way you want. Also, if you want a overlay effect over the gradient effect, you can do that as well. Just go to style, select the text color here. You may remember we made the transparency fully 0. So you can also play with it, like you can make it less transparent or full transparent, or even you can make an overlay effect by selecting a different color, something like this. Again, play with the opacity, dragging it left to right, something like this. So make it the way you want. You already see there are tons of options you can do. So this is it for now. I will put this page's link in the description, so you can just copy and paste the CSS codes from there. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because I have many more cool tutorials coming in. Goodbye for now. See you in the next tutorial.